fucking day.
We have a thunderstorm on our hands here. This is Brian and Russ reporting.
Byron and Russ. Byron Morris.
There has been lightning in this area of the sky. Will we see any more? Unlikely.
Dude, the guy called me.
It has been raining, and it is dim when it should be bright.
Where's the weatherman?
Oh!
Oh!
I saw a flash.
Oh! Hey! Oh!
Shut up, listen to the thunder.
What happens when you bump into an Italian? Oh! Hey! Oh!
No, it's called cutting in line in front of Italians.
You know, in some fucking states, they actually have, like, buses, and, like they have buses that, like, deflect lightning for, like, purposely.
Well, it depends what state. If it's Tornado Alley, maybe, sure.